Using Pinterest for work versus personal tasks. If you want to use Pinterest for personal tasks, it involves saving and organizing visual ideas, while using it for work offers specialized tools like business accounts, analytics, ads, and trends to drive traffic and understand your audience. For example, let's say if I open the Pinterest application. Now, if you're using for personal, you can simply save certain ideas, find inspiration for hobbies, home decor, and you can explore visual content on a wide range of topics. And you can also use secret boards to create your own private boards for yourself without having it seen by anybody. Versus when you're using Pinterest for work, you have all sorts of tools like analytics and audience. You can switch to a free business account to access features specifically made for brands and marketers. You could gain detailed metrics and insights into your pin's performance, audience demographics, and account growth. And you can use trends to discover what topics and products people are searching for, helping you create relevant content. And these are the differences between using Pinterest for personal versus work tasks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.